Hey guys, welcome back to Suna Academy. By the moment, many of you are well aware about me. But if you're new here, myself Karthike, I'm your physics tutor. I'll be teaching you concepts of physics that are related to JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, NEET UG, and many physics Olympiads that you'll be coming across in your grades 8, 9, and 10. So before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon right beside. Do like our videos and share our videos to your friends and your fellow aspirants. Okay. So now let us get into the video. I'm going to teach you the subtopic of vectors, that is dot product or a scalar product. Okay, so what is a dot product or scalar product? Okay, dot product is nothing but when you pick two vectors and when they undergo some dot product, you are going to get a physical quantity which is actually a scalar thing. Okay, it's not a vector. Okay, now for example, for that is your work done or your flux. Okay, flux will be coming across in the second year part of physics, in the part of electricity and magnetism. Okay, so let us stick to work itself. So when you're coming across work, so you say that work is generally force times displacement, right? But in vector meaning, so work is nothing but f bar dot s bar. Okay, so f bar dot s bar. Let me say what is actually your dot product. Your dot product. Okay, let us derive it from your simple sense. Okay, if some force f bar is acting in this direction, okay, and displacement is along x component, right? And if this is some angle theta, okay, let us say this is f and displacement is along the x-axis, your work done is nothing but force times displacement. But that force times displacement is actually along the displacement, right? So the component of force along x is f cos theta, right? F cos theta. So this will be, your fx will be f cos theta into s, right? So this will be f s cos theta, right? So this is your work done. So in simple sense, f dot s is nothing but mod f into mod s into cos theta. So you can say that if you have two vectors a bar and b bar, when they undergo some dot product, then they are that dot product. Okay, that dot product leads out to be mod a into mod b into cos theta. Okay, now we'll be doing some simple dot products between I cap, j cap, and k cap. Okay, let us pick I cap and I cap. Okay, I cap and I cap. Dot product of I cap and I cap is simply magnitude of I cap. Magnitude of I cap is 1 since it is a unit vector. So 1 into 1 into cos of angle between them. Since they are vectors, those vectors are along the same direction, or then the angle between that two vectors is 0. So that is your cos 0. So this will be 1, right? Cos 0 is 1. So I dot I is 1. So similarly j dot j. So your j dot j is same as k dot k, right? And that is also equal to I dot I. And all these are simultaneously equal to 1. Okay, and when you pick any of the couple of these three vectors, let me pick I dot j. I cap dot j cap. I cap dot j cap is 1 into 1. Magnitude of I cap is 1, magnitude of j cap is 1 into cos of angle between them. Angle between them is actually 90, so cos 90. So cos 90 will be turning out to be 0. So I dot j is 0. So dot product between any of the two combination of vectors out of these three will be turning out to be 0. So your I dot j is same as j dot k, okay, is same as k dot I, and all these will be equal to 0. So let me explain the three cases of a dot b. So if your a bar and b bar, okay, in a dot b, okay, if your a bar and b bar are along same direction or they are parallel, then your a dot b will be mod a into mod b into cos theta. Cos 0 is 1. Okay, and in the second case, when this is your a bar and this is your b bar, okay, when they are perpendicular, and then your a dot b will be mod a into mod b into 0 into 0, that will be 0, and this is your mod a times mod b, right? And if your a bar and b bar are exactly opposite to each other, okay, then your a dot b would be cos 180, right? The angle between then is 180. So cos 180 is nothing but minus 1. So minus 1, that is minus of mod A into mod B. Hey guys, if you haven't liked our video, do like our video to encourage and support us. Let us also look into some properties of this dot product. So remember that A dot B is same as B dot A. Okay, there is no change in that, and A dot of B bar plus C bar plus D bar is equal to A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar plus A bar dot B bar. Let me also explain how dot product works. Let us consider some A bar as 2y cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, and consider a B bar as 3j cap plus 7k cap. Okay, now what is the dot product of A bar and B bar? Okay, A dot B is nothing but 2y cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, dot 3j cap plus 7k cap. Okay, so 2I can be dotted with any components of B bar, but there is no I cap in that. So if you are going to dot that with J and K, I dot J is obviously 0, I dot J is obviously 0, and I dot K is also 0. So you are not going to dot 2I cap with any of the components of B bar. Now if you are going to dot your 3J cap with components of this and this, so 3J dot 3J is nothing but 9 and J dot J is 1, right? Since I dot I, J dot J and K dot K are all 1, right? And 3J dot 7K is 0. Okay, 3J dot 7K is 0 since J cap and K cap are perpendicular to each other. Okay, and the next case 4K cap with 3J cap, and then it is also 0, and 4K cap plus 7K cap 4K cap dotted with 7K cap, so 7 4s are 28, and K cap dot K cap is 1, so 9 plus 28, this will be turning out to be 37. So dot product of A bar and B bar, if these are the vectors, that will be 37 units. Now let us also look into the, if you have your A bar as x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. Okay, and your B bar as x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. Okay, and if these two vectors has got some angle theta subtended between them, then that angle theta can be found out as with cos theta. So you know that A dot B is nothing but mod A into mod B cos theta. So your cos theta can be written as A dot B by mod A mod B. So this can also be written as x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap, right? And this is dotted to x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap by mod A. Your mod A is nothing but root over sum of squares of the quotient of I cap, j cap and k cap. So this will be x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square, right? And this will be your x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square. Okay, z2 square. And in the numerator, where I cap dot I cap is only going to work out I cap and I cap, j cap dot j cap at k cap and k cap. And rather than this combination, any combination will be obtaining the value of 0, because I dot I dot j or j dot k or I dot k is perpendicular to each other, so they will be turning out to be 0. So x1 x2, since I dot I is 1, x1 into x2 plus y1 into y2 plus z1 into z2, right, by root over x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square into x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square. So this is your cos theta. So your theta is simply cos inverse of x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 z2 by root over x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square into x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square. Hey guys, I'll be catching you up in my next video with some more problems and subtopics of vectors. Till then, stay tuned to our channel. Do like our videos and share our videos to your friends and your fellow aspirants. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon right beside. Thank you.